Now, it's absolutely necessary that you do tracking on your websites because this is actually how you're going to be able to tell what's working and what's not working. If you're not implementing tracking as an affiliate, then you are destined to fail. So let's get into this and let's talk first about Google Analytics. Google Analytics is actually a free tool that you can use. This is one of the most important pieces of tracking software that is available to you that you need to put onto your websites. And it's very easy to implement, and I'm going to show that in a few minutes, but I just want to talk briefly about why you need to use this. It's very important for affiliates to be able to monitor their success. And Google Analytics is actually a great application because it analyzes the performance of your site on the web in general by providing statistics to help you determine what's working and what's not. Now, it can categorize the success of your marketing campaigns to help you determine specific factors that are bringing in traffic to your website. You can also measure what people are doing on your website, where they're coming from, and where they're going. So basically, it can help you determine whether your site is being explored in the way you want it to be. They have a ton of free training. When you sign up, you'll have access to this training. Here it is here, analytics.google.com/analytics/academy. I highly recommend that if you're going to use Google Analytics, you go through these beginner and advanced trainings. They're very detailed. They tell you everything you can get inside, but right now I'm just going to show you some of the basics so that you can get this live quickly. So what we first want to do is we want to put Google Analytics onto our website so that we can get the data we need. And I'm going to show you an example here of one of the affiliate websites we've created that has Google Analytics on it. So let's just go into the audience overview. So when you sign up to Google Analytics, this is what you're going to see. And this is one of the websites we've implemented Google Analytics on. It's Garcinia Supreme HCA. As you can see here, this is some of the data. And over on the left-hand side, this is all the information that we have available to us, including the demographics, the interests of these people, where they're from in the geo, their behavior. This tells us basically what they did when they were on our site. We can also see where the people came from in the acquisition category. You can see other information about social media, where they came from, behavior, where they've gone, what they've read on our website. All this stuff is available inside, and again, it's all available in their training here when you come into the Analytics Academy. So to implement Google Analytics onto our new site that we've just built, it's very simple. On your WordPress dashboard, go into Dashboard, and we're going to add the Google Analytics plugin. So to do that, we're just going to get the plugin here. We're going to go over here, click Add New, and now we're going to search for Google Analytics. I usually, when I'm adding a plugin, I look for their ratings as well as how many people have actively used it and whether it's compatible with my version and when it was last updated. So I'm going to install that, and then I'm going to click Activate. Now I need to link Google Analytics to my plugin. So in order to do that, I need to make sure I have a Google Analytics account set up, and then I just come over here and I click on the Google Analytics here, General Settings, and then here I'm going to authorize the plugin. Come back into Google Analytics, and on the bottom here you would click over and click Admin so that you can get this list of options here. And what I want to do here is I want to select at the bottom here, Create New Account. So when I create new account, now it's going to ask me the account name, and I'm going to call it All Pro Affiliate. The name, All Pro Affiliate. And then here's where I put the website, allproaffiliate.com. Industry, I will put internet for now. Change the time zone to whatever you want, Eastern here. Whatever your time zone you set here will be what your statistics will be shown in. And then you want to click Get Tracking ID. Accept their terms, and now you've got that account set up as All Pro Affiliate. So when I come back in here, I'm going to have to click Authorize again. I'm going to get the access code, allow it, get the new access code since I want to see All Pro Affiliate on the list. Save access. Now there's All Pro Affiliate on there as the top one because it's in alphabetical order. So I'm going to lock the selection, and now All Pro Affiliate, this site will be tracked through Google Analytics, and it's all set for tracking. So now I'll be able to get all that data inside Google Analytics when I go back in there. Over on the left hand side, this will be where all the reports are available. I can view website data. I can see the real-time visitors on my website. If I click on here and click overview, I'll be able to see if anybody's on my website right now, where they're from, and all the other information that's available inside. So this is very important to have on your website, and you'll also want to start looking into setting up goals, because you'll want to see if when people land on your website, are they actually turning into a lead. So in order to do that, all that is available inside Google Analytics, and you can do that just by looking at their training here, and it'll explain a lot of the fundamentals of Google Analytics.